Here is how to add debit or credit card to Amazon account. So first of all, open up your Amazon app and then tap on your icon. Over here it means you just tap on this specific little icon and then just tap on account over here. If you not see account, just swipe from right to left and you will see option account. Proceed to account. Next step, scroll all the way down until you find payments. You will see your payments or your payment and transaction. So basically this is a first option under payments. So proceed to it. In my specific order, I don't have another card or any cards on my account. I just need to tap on add a payment method over here. If you already have some cards and you want to add a new card, you just tap on plus add over here. And of course enter your all cards name, number and all this stuff.